They get into Ellis Island, and I'm not going to be able to see this very well on the camera, but this is the actual Ellis Island card. It's fascinating. It says here, of course, the SS Lapland, December 24th, 1920, the family name here and the age. This is the stamp of the American consulate in Southampton. You can see this, and it says the country of origin. It's stamped in there, Poland. It's stamped, this is from Ellis Island, January 7th, 1921. Now, I'm convinced my father, he saved 3 documents. He passed away about almost 20 years ago. He saved his Ellis Island card. He saved his, what was the equivalent of his Zamość birth certificate. It's actually not a birth certificate, I just found out, but it's close to that. It's all in Polish. And the naturalization papers of his father, which naturalized him. And I'm convinced that he saved them all these years just in case the government asked him, are you legal? Do you belong here? Why are you here in this country? He would have his documents. Even if he was a citizen, he lived here for virtually his entire life. I'm convinced that the kind of suspicion that was inbred in Jews, well, this Jew, who came from Eastern Europe and these oppressive governments, okay, that's what motivated keeping these documents. I can't imagine he was saving it for me. Oh, here's going to be something you'll be interested in later on and so forth.